Day in the life of a
You gotta get this brother, B. Watch out. Oh, you my motherfucker. God, I gotta let you up. Man, what they got going up here, guy?
Woke up with a mission, had a whole plan made. Life laughed back and sent me down another highway. Left the cut early, coffee in the cup. Said I was going one place, now I'm somewhere else. What up? Started at a detail shop, learning every trick, buffing paint, cleaning wheels, trying to make it stick. Then the car shows came every weekend on the move. Camera in my hand, trying to find another view. Celica GT, midnight blue paint. Didn't have a lot, but I did what others ain't. Showed up anyway when they said I couldn't hang. Years later, still rolling, now they know the name.
Every road got a story, every turn got a view. Never know where I'm headed when I pull out and go through. Day in the life of one, camera rolling till the day done. Some days sunshine, some days storms come. Either way, we still on one.
Stop letting everybody over from over there make them wait.
Hello.
Tow it up with a drive out. Smash, crash, bang.
What was he turning at anyway?
Onto the expressway.
Oh, we didn't get somewhere.
Well, Luke could probably look at that girl's face.
I'm talking about turn right into the people car.
What's wrong with it?
She mad as hell.
Brand new jig got that little drive out. That Lexus clean, cuz. Look at that Lexus junk. Clean. Yes, sir. You gotta get this brother, B. Watch out. Oh, you my motherfucker. God, I gotta let you up. Boy, clean, man. Hard. Super hard. Popdiopolis. The upper level of bullshit, because ain't no work to be done right here. Where he to stop?
I swear, because they ain't stop sign or nothing.
In the cut.